Just some poor girl's back.
Hey, it was a prank.
We might want to go tell them. I think they're having a small heart attack right now.
That was good. You got on film?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you see it's 3 people, then you see you're back, and then there are 2 are screaming and they're gone.
No.
We aren't actually.
It's a prank.
Oh my god.
I felt kind of bad. I was like, I think you actually got him a bit well.
Wow.
Subscribe to Splash Comedy.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
My feet are all muddy now.
Really see.
One of you guys didn't
Yeah,
run
why
it
did they
out.
take
He's
my
just
socks
sitting
off?
there right